Hello friends, we are from the team Happy Learnerholic and today we are going to see the question String Traversal Game. Moving ahead with the question, the program must accept two strings. The program must accept two strings S1 and S2. Now S1 and S2 are of equal length containing only alphabets as the input. The rules of string traversal game is given below. That is, first, the game always begins with the last character of S1. So this one, okay, last character of S1. If both the characters S1 and S2 are consonant or vowel in the same position, then the traversal is like up and down between S1 and S2. Else, if one is vowel and another is consonant, then the traversal will be in left direction. Okay, it will be in left direction if both are not same. It will be in upward downward direction if both are same. The game ends when there is no character to traverse in S1 and S2. The program is print the characters which are used in string traversing game as the output. So from the end you should start and go on. Okay. Boundary condition, S1 and S2 should be, length of S1 and S2 should be less than 1000, and the first line will have S1 value and second line will have S2 value as part of input format. Output format is a single line consisting of all the characters which are used in string traversal game. So with this, question part is over. We'll just have a look at the first test case, which is dog and cat. Dog and cat. So you start from here. Both are last character of first string, so S1. So you start from T. You put T here and you check. G is also consonant. So both are consonant, so you put G again here. Then after G, what is there? O. So you check. O and A, both are consonants, so you are putting O and A. Both are vowels, so you are putting A and O. C and D, so both are consonants, so you are putting C and D. So this is how it goes. Let's have a pictographical representation. Yeah, so the first part is this. You are having cat and dog, so we will take this part. To begin with, we are actually starting with T and we are just looking into S2, G. Both are consonants, so we are printing T and G. After G, it is U, it is O. So you are checking for O, it is a vowel, and A again is a vowel. So we are printing O and A. After O we have C. Now C is a consonant and D. D is again a consonant. So we are coming from here this way, C and D. So as I told, here it's downward movement, here it's upward movement, here it's again downward movement. We'll have a look at another example, which is skill rack and which is skill rack and another variable. Skill rack and B, C, D, E, F, E and this one. Okay. So here what you do is, you start from the last one, K. So you print K and you go down, K and J. Both are consonants. So J is printed. Now after J, what is there? H. You check H and C. Both are consonants, so H is printed and then C is also printed. So with this we are done. After C, what is there? A. Coming to A, you are just checking whether A is a vowel or consonant. So A is a vowel, so you put A. You're checking G. G is not a vowel, so you are leaving it as such and moving in the left direction. What you have? R you have. You're checking whether R is a vowel or consonant. It's a consonant and E is a vowel. So you drop out E again and you proceed in the left direction. You have L. Now L is a consonant and F is again a consonant. So you're printing F and L and F. So here you come this way. So you are in F. Now after F it's D. You're checking whether D is a vowel or consonant. It is a consonant and L is again a consonant. So you're printing D and L. After L it is I. I is a vowel and so I is printed, but C is a consonant, so C is not printed. You move again in the left direction. It is K. K is a consonant, so K is printed, but then A is a vowel. It is not same type, so it is not printed. So again only K is printed. Moving ahead, you move in the left direction. S. S is a consonant, S is printed. B is again a consonant, so B is printed. So this is how you get the output. Moving ahead with the program, first you're getting the input, second you're as A, second input as B, and B will be all the vowels just to check, okay. And I will be len of A minus 1. Why len of A minus 1? Because the last letter, we want K, right? So len of n will be, for this case len of n will be 9, 9 minus 1, so 8. In the 8 index K is present. So that is why len of A minus 1. Then you just have a variable, dummy variable D, just to check, it's odd or even position, okay, and traverse. And then you're checking whether I is less than or equal to 0. So the condition what I told you initially, you're checking whether A of I is in V and B of I is in V, or both are not a vowel. So first you're checking whether it's a vowel, second you're checking whether it is a consonant. Now whether both are vowel or whether both are consonant, what you do, you print this one, okay, print A and B. Now while printing A and B, we have to check whether it's up to down or down to up. For that case we are having a dummy variable, and that variable, if it's equal to 1, first you print A and then B. If it's equal to minus 1, then you print B and then A, okay. So after printing, again what you do, you change it, okay. So you change it. Now if this is not true, what will happen, you will get into this one, right? So you are checking the condition whether D is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, only A you will print, else you will print only B, and then you will decrement I. Why are you decrementing I? Just to come to the next variable, just to come to the next index, that is you're going in descending order this way. So with this our program is done. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.